A happy hello to all our viewers of Cook with Love. Today I'm here with my all-time favorite recipe, spinach au gratin. One dish that is packed with protein, carbs and fibers. So a complete meal for the kids. The ingredients for this recipe are 2 cups of chopped spinach, 1/4 cup of boiled sweet corn, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of whole wheat flour, 1 cup of multigrain breadcrumbs, 1 cheese slice, some grated mozzarella, and 2 cups of milk.